Hello dear children, welcome back to your online EVS class. Children, you have to study lesson number 1 for your next live session. Do you remember? Yes, very good. Hope all of you have completed your revision for that lesson. Children, today also we are going to discuss an activity lesson. That is lesson number 7, Safety and First Aid.
Lesson 7, Safety and First Aid.
We may get hurt from different places and in different ways. We get hurt from school, from playground, from home, etc. Children, the unexpected events in which you may get hurt is known as accidents. How do the accidents happen in our life? Yes, it's only because of our carelessness. While we get hurt, it will be very painful, isn't it? So children, today we are going to discuss what all safety rules or safety measures we have to follow in different places like in our school, then in playground and on the road and even at home. Okay.
Safety at home. Do not leave your books and toys lying on the floor. Someone might trip over them and fall. Knives, blades, and scissors are sharp. They can cut you. Do not use them on your own. Playing with matchsticks is dangerous. Do not use them on your own. Never taste anything you do not know about. Do not fly kites or play on the terrace. You can fall off the terrace if you are not careful. Fireworks can explode and cause burns. Ask an adult to help you light fireworks. Electrical things can give electric shocks. If they are not used carefully, an electric shock can kill a person. Never play with plug points, open wires, or electrical things. Safety at school. Running up and down a staircase is dangerous. Do not push anyone on the stairs. Always form a line before you come down the staircase. The corners of desks are sharp and can hurt you badly. Climbing on the desks and playing inside the classroom can cause accidents. Do not run in the corridors. Safety on the playground. While playing on the slide or the swing, wait for your turn. Do not push anyone when you are on the slide. It can be dangerous. There are rules to be followed in every game. If you do not follow the rules of the game, you can hurt yourself and others. Safety on the road.
To stay safe, you should be careful while you are on the road. You should always walk on the footpath. Vehicles should obey the traffic lights and stop when the light is red. Slow down when it turns yellow and go only when the light turns green. Always cross the road at the zebra crossing. Before you cross, look right, then left and right again to make sure that there are no vehicles coming towards you. Never run or play on the road. It can be very dangerous. Follow these rules to stay safe.
Children, if you can see someone gets hurt in an accident, what do you have to do?
First of all, you are not supposed to be panic and you have to help the person
Who gets hurt?
Okay, you have to give the first aid to that person. What is meant by first aid? The first aid is the first help that an injured person gets. Okay.
First aid. The first help that an injured person gets is called first aid. If a wound is bleeding, wash it with clean water. Wipe it with an antiseptic such as Dettol. If the bleeding does not stop, tie a bandage. Loss of too much blood is dangerous for the injured person. If someone gets a burn, place the part of the body that is burnt under running cold water. Hold it there until it stops hurting. If there are blisters, do not try to burst them. Cover the burn with a dry, clean handkerchief. After giving first aid to the person, ask an adult to call a doctor. If a person is hurt seriously, immediately call an adult and ask for a doctor. Stop people from crowding around. Only trained people should give first aid to seriously injured persons.
So children, today we have discussed about safety and first aid. Hope all of you have understood this lesson very well. Children, what all things we have discussed in this lesson, try to follow in your life also. Okay, be careful, stay safe and stay healthy. We'll meet in the next session. Until then, bye.